Make the most of your red light therapy sessions with these 5 tips. Number 1, clean and naked skin is best. Remove as much clothing as possible and do your session when your skin is clean of all oils and creams. This makes sure that you'll get the most light possible. Number 2, consistency. Try to use your light 5 to 7 days a week and as close to sunrise and sunset as possible, or as close to waking up and 4 hours before sleep. If that's not possible, at least try use your light at the same time every day. This helps your brain and your body get used to and prepare for a good session. Number 3, distance is key. The most important thing with red light therapy is the distance from the target area and the goal you are trying to achieve. Too far is no good, and too close only works for certain things. All orders will receive full guides that explain everything. Number 4, best areas to focus on. For general wellness, focus on the face, chest, belly and back. For more focused goals, just aim at those areas the majority of your session. Number 5, use red and near infrared light. For most people and most needs, use both red and near infrared light all the time. As long as you follow the distance guidelines, there is no reason to use one or the other separately. Bonus tip, relaxation time. Use your red light sessions as a time to relax and reflect. It's your 15 or 20 minute break to just breathe and check in with yourself.